Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the 10 habits of all successful people. So, let's get started. 1. Wake up early. Successful people know the importance of a good night's sleep and starting their day early. This gives them time to plan their day and focus on their goals. 2. Exercise regularly. Healthy habits lead to a healthy mind and body. Successful people make time for exercise, whether it's a morning run or a gym session. 3. Read constantly. Successful people are lifelong learners. They read books, articles, and anything else that can help them grow and learn. 4. Stay organized. Successful people know that organization is key to success. They keep their workspace and lives tidy, and they use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay on track. 5. Take breaks. Successful people know that taking breaks is essential for maintaining focus and energy. They take breaks throughout the day to recharge. 6. Stay positive. Successful people maintain a positive attitude, even in the face of challenges. They focus on solutions and see the glass as half full. 7. Stay focused. Successful people know the importance of focus. They minimize distractions and stay focused on their goals. 8. Network. Successful people know the power of networking. They build relationships and connections with others in their field. 9. Practice gratitude. Successful people practice gratitude daily. They focus on what they have and are thankful for their blessings. 10. Never give up. Successful people are resilient and never give up. They learn from their mistakes and keep moving forward. And there you have it, folks. The 10 habits of all successful people. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.